Hi everybody, my name's Crystal and I'm with Telco Plus Credit Union. Today's how-to video is to change your personal information without coming inside the credit union or calling member services. So you need to log into home banking first and then go to the top right corner where you see this little person icon. Click on that and then you'll see profile and settings. It will bring you to the current page you see right now. On the left are the different things that you can control yourself 24/7. Change account description. If you have multiple accounts and you would like to name them, this is where you need to do that. Just make sure you don't use any special characters. The system can't handle it. You can change your cell phone number, your email address, and your mailing address right here. When you click on that, it will pull up a box and it auto-populates with the information that we have on file. So just make the changes and hit submit. You can also change your username here. When you originally set up home banking or the mobile app, you used your account number. So we do recommend you changing that to something else. And then you can change your password. Change it to whatever you can remember that's safe and secure. Don't write it down and don't share it with other people. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube. Everybody have a great day.